Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. In this video, we're going to talk about starting hands in Holdem, so please pay special attention because proper hand selection is one of the most important things to learn if you want to play great poker. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's start with the hands that you will play from all the positions, unless of course there is some heavy action before you, like a re-raise or a big open. We will talk about bet sizing in the next lesson, so for now just know that you should always raise the pot if it hasn't been raised before you, but if it has, you just want to call, most of the time. So this range we'll call the base, and it is about 10% of all the possible starting hands. So first off, you want to play all the pocket pairs. Big pocket pairs like aces, kings, queens, jacks or tens are very strong hands and are often overpairs to the board on the flop. Medium pocket pairs like nines, eights and sevens are still quite strong and have potential for overpairs, but you're not going to try and build big pots with these unless you hit a set. Small pocket pairs like sixes, fives and so on are really easy to play as you're only looking to hit a set on the flop or toss them away. Next you want to play suited ace king, ace queen, ace jack and ace 10. These are all strong hands and have really good potential for top pair, top kicker, and also for straights and flushes. As for the unsuited aces, you want to play ace king, ace queen and ace jack. The only other hand you want to play is king queen suited, as it is also quite a strong hand with good potential. From late positions you could play basically all the Broadway cards, so you could add suited or unsuited king 10, queen 10 and jack 10. Keep in mind that you should stick to only playing the base at the beginning, get comfortable playing it, and then as you get better and gain a better understanding of the game, you will add more hands to your starting range, especially from later positions. Other starting hands that have good potential include all the suited connectors from 10-9 to trade deuce and all the suited aces. But you shouldn't often play these, and if you do, you should only play them in position. You are looking to hit a strong draw on the flop, either to a straight or a flush. If you don't hit it, just give up on the hand. So now you know which hands are profitable to play. You know the base hands, which are the hands you pretty much always want to see the flop with. You know that the later your position is, the more hands you want to open the pot with. Please remember to stick to the base if you're only just starting out playing poker. You can add more starting hands as you get more and more comfortable playing, but for the beginning, the base is all you need to play to make profit. Okay, great. Let's sum up what you've learned. You know which hands are profitable to play. You know the base hands, which are the hands you pretty much always want to see the flop with. You know that the later your position is, the more hands you want to open the pot with. Try and stick to the base if you're only just starting playing poker. You will add more starting hands as you get more and more comfortable playing, but for the beginning, the base is all you need to play to make profit and get a great feel of the game. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and post them below and I'll be sure to answer them as best as I can. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to watch more videos like this in the future. You want to learn how to play poker? Great. You have little or no experience playing poker? No problem. Do you want to learn the fundamentals, the most basic principles that allow you to easily win money when playing with casual players? That's perfect, because this Udemy course was created specifically for people like you. My name is Mateusz, I've played over 3 million hands of no limit Texas Holdem, and I would like to teach you how to play poker like a pro. What you will learn in this course are the fundamentals, the ABC of poker, condensed into 21 short and easily digestible lectures, which altogether take just under 2.5 hours to watch. In each lecture, you will learn a different concept which you can test out and practice immediately after watching. And that's really the best way of taking this course. As with all skills in life, you cannot become a pro unless you spend some hours practicing the craft. So you're gonna have to practice and play some poker for at least 30 minutes after each and every lesson. If you do that, I have no doubt that you will become a winning poker player in less than 2 weeks. Well, do you want to become a good poker player? Do you want to be able to beat recreational players easily? Do you want to have a great time winning at your local home games? Great! Click the link on your screen and get this course on Udemy for just $25.